Welcome again, Military Guna TV. I am Married Dakers and I am happy. Alright, so we have won again. Now that makes it 5 clean sheets on the go. And it is just so sad that we couldn't get over the line for the Crystal Palace game, and I really wanted us to do that. We would have been in a much more comfortable situation right now. But guess what? We're on the top half, not on the top of the league, but the top half of the league right now. And in perspective, that is good. But there are a few things that we have to work on, and I don't think that it should be a case in which when we go in half time, that is when we're seeing our team put in a performance that they should. And it shouldn't be a case in which the manager have to consistently be talking to you, telling you guys what to do. You must know in some sense what to be done. But it could be a case in which the first plan that was set out to do, that team set out to do, was going right, and there was some adjustment, because you could see where we started to play the ball with more passion, more aggression, and the passes were quite cleaner. They were a bit more crisp, and the movement, we see a lot of more interchanging in the second half rather than the first half. And I'll say that this is down to the manager, what he implemented. And I see a lot of fans saying that the first half was a dead half, but definitely it was not, because we got clear-cut opportunities. Partey Aubameyang, ball were played on his feet, directly on his feet, to finish the game, and he did not eat his meal. Now we finished the game with 20 shots on goal, 6 on target, 67% possession, and Newcastle only had 1 shot on target and had 4 shots the entire game. Yes, they could have capitalized with those 4, with even that 1 shot, but in essence, we got over the line, and it was a relatively dominant win. We have been asking for a win like this for so long, and now we have got it, so we have to enjoy that. And now, as I can say, things are looking good for Arsenal Football Club. So we are only 2 points behind Chelsea. The title, about 2 or 3 weeks ago, Chelsea were title challengers, and now we're 2 points, just 2 points behind them. Only 2 points behind of Chelsea, previously known as the title challenger, and now we're creeping in closely onto the European League area of the table. But we have to see how that goes, because there are a few games left to play, and we have kept a few clean sheets now. I agree, I accept that. It means that we're defending very good, and we have sorted out our defensive incapabilities, and we're working on that. Now we have seen now the likes of Partey Aubameyang firing now, so this is a point in which we can only go up rather than down, because a few weeks ago we were in a relegation battle, and now we're moving towards a European League spot. And my man of the match so far, I'll have to give it to Partey Aubameyang, even though we have seen great performances, such as, not great, but good performance from Cedric Soares, Granit Xhaka, Thomas Partey, Emile Smith-Rowe, Bukayo Saka. But it's so hard to look past the man that scored 2 goals. It's very hard to look past the person that scored 2 goals. And I'm so happy that Saka scored, because right now my FPL team is looking really good, and now I'm moving a bit up the table in the FPL. But thank you very much, just my small take. This is Military Guna TV. I'll be coming out with player ratings quite soon, and I am out.